Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can write a text on a path in Adobe Illustrator. This path can be anything. It can be a circle or a freestyle shape or a rectangle or anything. So let me show you how you can do that. First, let's create a path. I'm using the pen tool. I have this path. Now I'm going to remove the fill of this. I'm going to place it in the middle. And now let's write the text from this part to here. You can simply select it by going to the type tool and click on the right here and select this. And now to write a text from here, you need to zoom in and click on the path. And there you go. And now from here, you can type anything you want. For example, and there you go. Now select the text and now go to the direct selection tool. And from here on this line, you can see, just click it and drag it to the place that you want. And that's how you can place the text on a path. Now let me show you another example. Let's create a circle. I'm going to place it in the middle. And now I'm going to remove the fill. And let's add the text on this circle. To add the text from here, to add a text here, just click on the path, just right click here and click on type on a path. And there you go. You can increase the size from here. Now let's take a copy of this. And that's how you can type on a path in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.